Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to install Java in your Windows system and make it ready to execute your Java programs. First of all, we need to install JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. For this, let's use Google to search. Type JDK latest version and click on this link. This takes you to the Oracle site from where you can download the JDK. You can see the latest version as also the other previous versions which you can download as per your choice. Now let's download the latest version as of now, which is the JDK Standard Edition 14. Click on JDK download. You can find here the different operating systems for which you can download the JDK. I am using a Windows 64-bit operating system, so I choose the link against Windows x64 installer and then click on this. Accept the license agreement for downloading and using the software and then click on download. There is a warning message and I proceed to keep the file. Now the JDK installer file is getting downloaded and the download is now complete. Now click on this exe file. It's preparing to install. Click on next and next. The installation is in progress. Now it says the JDK version 14 is successfully installed. At this point, close this window. Let's see where these files are installed. Go to Program Files. Under the Program Files, we see the Java folder. Open this folder. We see the folder JDK-14.0.1. Open this and open the bin folder. You will see all the relevant files related to JDK version 14. You also find the two important files in the bin directory, the javac, which is the Java compiler, and the Java exe, which executes the Java programs. Now let's see whether the system is ready to execute a Java program or not. Go to the command prompt. Type javac and enter. We see an error saying the javac command is not recognized. Now this is because the system doesn't know where the relevant exe files related to the Java are located. So we need to set up the environment variable in order for your system to know where the Java executable files are located. To set up the environment variable, copy this path to the bin directory. Go to Control Panel. Click on System and Security, System, and Advanced System Settings. Now click on Environment Variables and create a new system variable. Type the variable name as path, all caps, and for the value, paste the path we copied earlier here. Click OK, OK, and OK. Now the environment variable is set. Let's see whether the command works now. Close the command prompt and open it newly. Now type the Java C command and enter. We see the command now works. So you are now ready to execute your Java programs. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.